Friends, in today's video we will make a stove and it is also connected with cement and bricks. Now we start the video. Friend, we were making it, but we thought that we should give it a design etc. So why do not we make it in the shape of a heart? That is in the shape of a heart. After that, as soon as we make it, we will also burn it and show it. Stay tuned with our video. So friend, you can see we have already made our own stuff literacy and we have let it, so you can see that the cooking is done in the OBI way. Also subscribe to our channel.